Is that not to be coming to this way? Saying, "Now, one Babala will not tell you." Just like the foolish man who say use padlock to lock people destiny. Somebody will up your own key. You lock people destiny. He went to a cartoon, buy ancient pots, tie them with rope. Because he wants money from the man of God. He went and lied before the presence of God. Says spiritual practitioner. You where they carry megaphone, they preach inside cartoon. People don't see there. He preaches, not just preach. He they carry wheelbarrow. They carry load for people. When I saw that video, I was so disappointed. Why I was disappointed? Not because he went there or anything. I was disappointed that a man of God could not know say this one must scam. This guy is lying. You rebuke him so that he will change. That is my annoyance. I'm saying my own rule. I need to really want to talk. It's just like as I day and I can't carry something to come with me. I should be able to know whether to do the inside that thing or not. You are spiritual now. You don't pass that level. You're so mature. You don't pass that thing. Open the key. Key where Jonathan locked by himself. Wake up, you shout Holy Ghost fire on top of nothing. Let us wake up. Why they were shouting Holy Ghost fire? Did he fall for ground? Is he rolling? There was no demon there. It was programmed by him. I can prove it. Me, I will prove it. Invite me. Why are we like this? If you talk now, they say you are attacking me. I don't attack anybody. Because I love you. Please, I will pray for you sometimes. I'm not against anybody. But sometimes you have to be mature. You have to do things accordingly. Not be everything where person carry come meet you in the brain. You don't pass that level. The level don't go far. You're not supposed to attempt to those shit. I call it shit. That's the only thing I'm saying. Everybody knows Jonathan. He goes not to the way Ephraim. He go Egypt for Winners Church. He go, he's an hungry man. I saw you descending and ascending. You never feel sick for your own self. May the Lord help us. So they need to address all those things. Okay? So that people will not be seeing Christianity as a faith. They are past that thing. So that you are not a baby. It's okay. But when you talk and they say, you try to talk to this, I'm not going to talk to this anyway. I don't have time. But let us be mature. Do things maturely. Because the level you're operating now, you don't pass those things. You don't pass that. You don't need those kind of things again. Now prayer warrior will be sent to go and handle that kind of thing. Don't bring that kind of thing to the public again. Is that when they go carry that shoe, you are not there. Now when they want to, they will pack the shoe come inside church. If you want to wait, you not popular for river. They carry the pack the shoe go church. And you throw it for river. Come for deliverance. Man of God will deliver you. I mean, not be so. That's how to do it. That's a maturity. Because you know, you hear news that a pastor is attacking. I'm not attacking anybody. I'm trying to tell you that this incident that happened in that place, there is no juju inside that place. Nothing like juju there. There was no juju there. Jonathan has no power. Not even a cockroach power. As I'm talking to him, Jonathan has not paid his house rent. So he's looking for money to pay house rent.